Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. In today's tutorial I will be doing Glam Valentine's Day makeup look. Hi guys, so I am already done with my CTM. The products which I used to do this will be mentioned in my description box. So the next step here is I'm going to use primer. Here I am using Faces Canada ULTIMEPRO primer. You are not supposed to rub the primer, you have to gently dab into your skin, hence it would be easy to blend your foundation and it will give you flawless base. Here I am using Swiss Beauty Orange Color Corrector on dark parts of my face and even on my acne. Next, I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 03. Guys, trust me, this is the most amazing concealer and really very affordable. The coverage of this concealer is just fabulous. Now I am using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 103. Do not apply foundation on your acne as it would look like a layered skin. To set my foundation, I am here using Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact Powder in the shade Ivory. Do not rub the compact powder, you just need to dab into your skin. I am using spoolie brush to shape my brows, then I am using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit to define my eyebrows. I am starting my eyeshadow with e.l.f. Mini Eye Palette in the shade Sugar and Cream. Apply the brown shade on outer corner of your eye and blend it properly. Then I am using Maybelline Nudes eye palette and I will be using the golden shimmer shade. It's time to add soft glitter all over my upper eyelid. For that I am using Wet n Wild pressed glitter eyeshadow in the shade Brass. You can also apply it with your finger. I am using the brown shade on my lower lash line. Then I am also going to apply the glitter on my inner part of my lower lash line. Now I am using Wet n Wild White Kohl. It will make your eyes look really big. For the mascara here, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I absolutely love this mascara as it really gives you nice curl and lift. We will define our face by using Wet n Wild Contour Palette. Apply little on your forehead. Apply little on your jawline to define your jaw. I'm doing really soft nose contour. For blusher, I'm going to use cream blush from MAC in the shade Peach. Guys, I'm in love with cream blush as it stays really long and it is really easy to blend. Step, I'm going to highlight my face using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. As I have done light soft glam eye makeup, so here I will be using a dark lip shade, and for the lipstick I am going to use lipstick which is from Color Bar in the shade Hollywood 001. You can use any makeup fixer of your choice. Here I am using Faces Canada makeup fixer. The final step, I am going to use eyelashes. It is absolutely optional, but here is the final Glam Valentine's Day look, and you can do this for a date night as well. I hope you like this video.